teach you how to make money and fast and easy. In today's video, it's a little bit different. I wanted to talk about this article that I found online. It's about 6 money secrets the wealthiest know. Let's go. So, guys, this article came to my attention and I thought to share it with you guys. It has a lot of information about money. You know, my channel is all about making money online, and this article claims to have 6 money secrets the wealthiest know. So I was curious to find out what they know that we don't know. So we're gonna read this article together. I'm just gonna pick out the parts that are important. I'm not gonna read everything, but I'm gonna leave the link to the article in the description if you're interested in reading everything yourself. So number one is earn passive income by investing in real estate. I've been hearing a lot about real estate. They say it's very profitable. If you have invested in real estate or you're about to, let me know in the comment section below. How is it working for you? How is it going? Any losses, any profits? Would like to learn about your story. So they say, imagine getting a check in the mail every month for just holding a little bit of money in an account. Sounds amazing, right? Of course, we all have money that is just stuck anyway. Not we all, but some people have money that is stuck in their account. It's not doing anything. It's not moving. They say investing it in real estate is gonna bring you money. They said it takes less than 1 minute to create an account with your email. That's with Fundrise. It's an investment company, and you can earn as little as $10. No, you can start with $10 and start earning passive income through quarterly distributions. The investment do come with risk. Of course, everything comes with risk. Business comes with risks. The investment do come with risks. Fundraisers pay distributions every quarter since at least Q2 2016, but your payment is never guaranteed. You see, that's the thing about investing. You have to be careful because it could be risky. So that is what one thing that the wealthiest do that others don't. Number two, cancel. Number two, cancel your car insurance. It said overpaying for your car insurance. On average, you find that around $500 a year in savings for drivers. We've got bad news. You could be wasting $500 every year on overpriced second-rate car insurance, and you could probably cancel your existing insurance right now because there's something much better. So I'm interested to know what is much better. They said this new tool from Finance Boss can tell you if you're overpaying for your car insurance in just a few clicks. On average, you find around $500 a year in savings for drivers, and once you try it out, you'll never have to look for affordable insurance again because you find with the lowest rates and other companies can match. So they're claiming to have a tool that find you the best insurance on the market. So number three, don't overpay when you shop online. Yes, people seem to overpay because they don't know of extensions. I have a bunch of extensions that I use. Let's see, Honey is one of them. I use Honey. I use there's this other piggy one. I've forgotten what it's called. Let's see what they have to say. Shopping online has its perks. It's very convenient, but it can be time consuming to find the best deals. Instead of hunting for coupon codes that don't always work and opening tons of browser tabs comparing prices, you can try Capital One. So they are promoting Capital One. I've used Capital One a bunch of times, but I like using extensions that have coupon codes as well as cashback. So that's why I use this piggy extension. Let us know the extensions you use for cashback. Maybe one might be better than the other. Let's rub minds in the comment section below. So number three, that's four. Number four, invest in art. So investing in art is something that wealthy people do that till now I don't really understand. Not that I don't understand, but I just find the fact that you carry money and purchase an art and just store it to be mind boggling sometimes. The prices that some art carry, like, is really ridiculous at times. I'm like, really? Like, anyway, some is like investing in jewelry. I know some people invest in watches, just like wealthy people do invest in art. So, um, according to them, in a few years' time, that art is gonna cost way more, and they're gonna sell it and get more money. But till now, I can't. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Investing in art uh, is something that I'm not gonna do like as as soon as possible because anyway, let's go ahead and read what number 4 says. It says history has shown art to be one of the top investments of all time. In fact, in the last 2 decades, art has outperformed the S&P over 180% between 2000 and 2018. But while the ultra wealthy rake in huge profits, everyday folks have been left out in the cold. Masterworks is an exclusive platform that lets investors of all types add art to their portfolios in just a few clicks. So there's this website that allows you to purchase art. That's what I'm trying to say. And but you need a minimum of $5,000 in your account to start. Can you believe that, guys? So this one of the problems I have with art. Not everybody has access to it because just to purchase an art, it requires huge sums of money. An average person cannot invest in art. You see, just by having this account that they call everybody have access to it, you need to have minimum $5,000 in your account. And not everybody has that. So let's keep on going and see what we can uh, use. Number 5, type into your home value without taking out a loan. Yeah, loans can be very, very cumbersome, especially when the interest come. So let's see what they say. Home tap is an alternative to traditional home equity loans. Instead of loaning your money that you need to pay back in monthly payments, they make an investment in your home. If qualified, they'll give you the cash now in return for participating in the proceeds when you sell your home. So this one is particularly for homeowners. Um, home tap, that's what it say. It's gonna invest in your home and give you the cash in return. So to be eligible, you need to own at least 25% equity in your home. You know. So number 6, prepare. I think this is the last one. Prepare your market volatility by diversifying in gold. You know, people always talk about this, how volatile the stock market is and things like that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am not investing in stocks. It's just too unpredictable for me to invest my hard-earned money in. So if it goes down, I'm losing money. It increases. I'm in a My life cannot be uncertain like that. That's why up to now I haven't invested in stocks. I'm not even thinking about doing. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. And they say diversifying in gold could be an option. I'm more interested in this one if I had the money. Let's see what they say about it. So Gold Alliance is a reputable precious metals dealer that specializes in precious metals, IRAs. They make it simple to transfer funds from your current retirement account like 401k or IRA into precious metal IRA with no taxes or penalties. Okay, that seems interesting. Gold Alliance offers a free gold information kit to help you learn more about why gold and silver could be smart choice. So that's diversifying your portfolio and how the process works. All right, so I'm more interested in this one, but I've not said anything about how much you need, like, at least to start. I'll need to research more about this one if I have money to invest. So I think that's the last one. Let me see. Oh, 7. There's 7. How? Okay, 7, 8. All right, let's keep going, guys. So get out of your 10,000 or more in debt. By the way, guys, if you're getting value from this, hit the like button and subscribe. Number 7, let's continue. If you have a lot of debt, national debt relief could be of help. If you have more than $10,000 in debt from credit card, medical bills, Collections of personal loans, the representative might be able to assist you in consolidating your debt in one low monthly payment, and there's zero fees until your debt is resolved. So after your debt is resolved, what happens? Let's say, and you could be debt free in 24 to 48 months. To get started, just simple questions. It takes only 30 seconds to see if you qualify. Okay, so you must qualify before they can help you get out your debt. Oh, sorry. This is quite interesting. Many people are in debt and they'll need to get out of debt. They should try national debt relief. They'll see if you qualify and you have zero fees. Number 8, see how much money you can get back from this account. What account is that? So there's a debit card company called Aspiration, and they give you up to 10% cash back every time you swipe a card. Wow, like wow. I'm quite interested in this one, to be honest. I do a lot of shopping online. So if they can give me 10% cash back, that would be awesome. Let's see. Um, it's so simple. Who doesn't want extra money, of course? To see how much you could earn, you just enter your email address and link your bank account. By the way, Aspiration is free. Your money is kept safe with military level security, and deposits won't fund fossil fuels. Whoa, guys, are you gonna try this out? Like, I'm seriously gonna try this out and see if I qualify. And it's free, guys. So, what else could be? What else? Let's just try. Number 9, eliminate your tax debt. Each year, IRS forgives millions of unpaid taxes. If you have more than $10,000 in tax debt or 3+ years of unfiled taxes, tax defense could help you lower or get out of your tax debt for good. Really? Interesting. So obviously you must qualify. So to see if you qualify for relief, click here and sign up for free consultation. All right. That's number 9. Eliminate your tax debt. Number 10. Ditch your mortgage lender. All right. A new tool will help you compare mortgage offers and rates, and could help you simplify refinancing your mortgage, which means you could slash your interest rate, lower your monthly mortgage payments, and even build equity in your home faster. Also, you can save money and free up breathing room in your budget. All right, number 10. So, guys, um, number 11, pay no interest all up until 2023. And they have this one called Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. You have 0% interest for 15 cycles. Well, okay. And what else? You have, you can transfer your high interest debt to this card with a 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles. On balance transfers made in the first 60 days, on balance transfers, transfer fee $10 at 3%, whichever is greater. Your payments can go directly to paying down your balance without incurring a pile of additional charges. Okay. All right. So if you start now, you're not going to pay interest up until 2023. I think that's next year, which is not bad, guys. So are you going to consider this? It's called Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards, and they reward you. Okay, but after that, look at this right here. After that, after the 15 billion cycles, after that, that's about a year. After a year, you're gonna get 13%. Look at this, guys, 13% to 23%. So you really need to look into a fine print in order to um, see if this is profitable or not. So look at this. After that 1 year free, you have 13 to 23%. Okay. I don't think I'll be considering that for now. Let's move ahead. So as we are going through, let us know which ones you're going to consider or not. Let us know in the comment section below. Oh, that is it, guys. So that was number 11. That was the last one. So like I said before, I'm going to leave the link to this article in the comment section below. What I'm going to try is um, for those who are in debt, number 7 is very, very important. I think I might try number 6 if I have money, diversifying to gold. Number 4, About investors, no. This one has to do with $5,000 account minimum. So I've used Capital One Shopping before. The extension, it was conflicting with my cashback extension. That's a piggy extension, so I had to remove it. But I still use Honey with the piggy. I use Honey for the coupons, and I use piggy for the cashback. So cancel your car insurance and passive income investing in real estate. So for now, I just think I'm gonna try number one, the one that had to do with as aspirate, as aspire something. Number one, yeah, number eight. Number eight, and the last one, I think was it. No. So just two. Those are just the two that sorry, three. The gold one, the aspirate card, and and uh, and 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 this one. Yes, and this one. So guys, let me know in the comment section which you are going to try. This is how the wealthiest. They say six money secrets, but actually they gave like 11. So guys, this is the money secrets that the wealthiest know. And I think I'm only going to try three. So let me know in the comment section below which you're going to try. And that's it for this video. If you got value from this, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Prena's and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.